Welcome back, my brilliant audience, to another mind-expanding video on this channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that'll unlock the secrets of a true genius. We're diving into the extraordinary world of L, the enigmatic and brilliant detective from the legendary anime, Death Note. In this video, we'll explore the psychological tricks and techniques that makes L such a captivating character. So, let's embark on the intellectual journey together. Now, who is L? Before we dive into the tricks, let's take a moment to understand why L is so special. L is a genius detective revered for his unmatched deductive skills, unorthodox methods, and unparalleled intellect. With his diverse appearance and insatiable sweet tooth and mysterious persona, L has captured the imaginations of millions worldwide. The first trick is the observational awareness. Like L, we must train ourselves to notice the smallest details in our surroundings. This heightened awareness allows us to gather valuable information that others might overlook. Picture yourself in a bustling coffee shop, waiting for a friend. Instead of losing yourself in distractions, take a moment to observe. Notice subtle body language and behaviors of people around you. Are they fidgeting, avoiding eye contact, or displaying signals of nervousness? These non-verbal clues can provide deep insights into the state of mind. Imagine you're conducting a job interview. By observing the interviewer's body language, you might detect the signs of nervousness or confidence. Are they making steady eye contact, sitting upright, or fidgeting their heads? These clues can inform your assessment and help create a more comfortable environment for effective communication. Our next trick is unconventional thinking. L is really known for his ability to think outside the box and approach problems from a fresh perspective. By breaking free from the conventional patterns, we can unleash our creativity and discover unique solutions. Consider a challenging problem you're facing, perhaps an intricate puzzle or a complex decision. Instead of following the well-trodden pattern, take a moment to step back and question the assumptions, challenge the status quo, explore alternative viewpoints, and embrace unconventional thinking. This approach can unveil the innovative ideas that were probably hidden. Let's say you're planning a surprise party for a friend. Rather than following the predictable route, brainstorm unconventional ideas to make it truly memorable. Maybe transform your backyard into a mythical wonderland or organize a themed scavenger hunt with personalized clues. By embracing unconventional thinking, you'll create an unforgettable experience that'll leave you fresh forever. Our next trick is rational deduction. L's legendary skills have amazed audiences. By owning our own deductive reasoning abilities, we can unravel the complex problems and make logical connections. Imagine being confronted with a perplexing mystery, like a locked room with no visible exit. Instead of resorting to a supernatural explanations, adopt a rational mindset, analyze the available evidence, and eliminate impossibilities, and draw logical conclusions based on what remains. Let's imagine you have an investigating problem with a missing item in your household. By examining the evidence, such as footprints, fingerprints, or subtle disturbances, you can deduce who might be responsible for this. Apply rational deduction to eliminate potential culprits. Consider motives and uncover the truth behind the mystery. Our next trick in our arsenal is mastering the body language. L has acute L's acute understanding of nonverbal clues gives him an edge in deciphering people's true intentions. By paying attention to body language, we can give valuable insight into others' thoughts and emotions. During conversations, focus not only on the words spoken but also on the subtle movement and gestures. Notice the positioning of arms, eye contact, and facial expression. These clues can provide a glimpse into someone's level of comfort, confidence, or even deception. Suppose you're engaging in a business negotiation. By observing the body language of other party, you can gauge their level of interest and agreement. Are they leaning forward, maintaining eye contact, and mirroring your gestures? These are positive signals. However, if they display signs of discomfort such as crossed arms, avoiding eye contact, or fidgeting, it's an indication of potential disagreement or skepticism. By understanding these nonverbal clues, you can adapt negotiation strategy and address concerns effectively. Our fifth trick: meticulous planning. L's meticulous attention to details and strategic approach have elevated his detective skills. By incorporating this habit into our lives, we can enhance our chances of success in various endeavors. Imagine having a significant project or goal you want to accomplish. Instead of diving headfirst without a plan, take a systematic approach. Break down the task into smaller, manageable steps. Set clear objectives and create a realistic timeline. This methodical planning will keep you organized and increase the likelihood to achieving your desired outcome. Let's say you are embarking on a cross-country road trip with a friend. Rather than leaving everything to chance, meticulously plan your route, research exciting destinations on the way, and ensure you have essential supplies. By doing so, you'll enjoy a smooth and memorable journey, free from unnecessary obstacles. And there you have it, my brilliant audience. We have explored the psychological tricks that make L such a captivating character. By incorporating these techniques into our lives, we can enhance the observational awareness, unlock our creativity and unconventional thinking, sharpen our deductive reasoning, decode body language, and embrace meticulous planning. Let's strive to unleash our inner detectives and elevate our intellectual prowess. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to join a community of extraordinary minds. Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments and let me down below about the genius characters or psychological tricks you'd like me to explore in the future videos. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and keep unlocking the genius within.